Unit 8. Sweet and Tasty. Listening 8. Read and listen.
Chocolate. Would you like a piece of chocolate? Most of us enjoy a bar of chocolate, or we like the taste of chocolate in cakes or ice cream. However, not many of us know the history of chocolate. Let's look back in time. People first made chocolate 3,000 years ago in Central America and Mexico. They grew cacao trees and used the beans from the trees to make chocolate. The Aztecs used cacao beans as money because there were no coins or banknotes then. A turkey cost 100 cacao beans and a piece of fruit cost 3 beans. At first, people only used chocolate to make a drink. They called the drink chocolatul. This means bitter water in an Aztec language, because cacao beans have a very bitter taste on their own. Later, people used chocolate as an ingredient in various dishes. They believed that chocolate was good for you, so they used chocolate to treat some illnesses. They also learnt that chocolate will give you energy if you are tired. During the 16th century, Spanish people travelled to Mexico and were introduced to chocolate. They took chocolate home with them, and soon people in Europe started to use chocolate too. At first, only rich people could enjoy chocolate because it was very expensive. In England, people visited special chocolate shops to drink chocolate drinks. They found out that if you add vanilla and sugar to chocolate, it tastes a lot nicer. In about 1690, a doctor called Hans Sloane made a new drink with chocolate and milk. This drink was sweet and tasty, so it was very popular. Today, chocolate is one of the most popular foods in the world. There are hundreds of different chocolate bars and sweets. We give chocolate as gifts on special occasions. A special treat is chocolate fondue. We heat the chocolate until it melts and then dip fruit into the chocolate. Strawberries are delicious when they are covered in melted chocolate. There are different kinds of chocolate: dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. If you like chocolate, you will be pleased to know that dark chocolate can be healthy. Unlike milk chocolate, dark chocolate does not have a lot of milk and sugar in it. Dark chocolate is good for your heart and helps your blood to move around your body. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate every day can help protect you from some illnesses.